So this is a children's section. Okay. How silly I am. I forgot to press the record button connecting the microphone. Anyway, hello dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful so morning. Here I am at Hercules, Hercules, the city of Hercules. And this is, I just look for civic center and coming here. And the first thing I saw is the library. Of course, I went in. And then I forgot to press the connecting to press the connecting button. Anyway, I may do some voiceover. So that is the library. Let's take a look. This is the city's public library, and I went in, and there was a librarian. She was very nice and greeted, and I asked how many years was this library, and she told me it's 20 years. Next year is their 20 years library. I think that is the city center. This civic drive, this looks like public housing or something. So this is the city. Okay. So here is a little city center, little park, and I think okay, here is a little bit of the story and my connection with this place. 30 years ago, I worked in an international company, and we did import export, and at that time there was something we export, the company export from all over the world, the packaging, for example, the Austria paper, German paper, Finland paper, Korean paper. And there is one thing that the companies particularly need is Hercules, PP film something. It's a Hercules brand, kind of a cigarette packaging film. And the company, the manufacturer, particularly wanted this. And I searched at that time, 30 years ago. I heard it was from America. And later on, sometimes 25 years ago, I came to America, and we arrived California. There was one time we drove around and passing by a city, Hercules. Immediately, it brings me the memory of my business, import export. We call it 大力士, and that was the company that we import the plastic, and it is here. Just a few minutes ago, I chat with the librarian. They used to have chemical refinery, petrol refinery. It kind of makes sense. Sorry for the surrounding noise. And they used to, oh, sorry, I'm distracted. And they let me restart. again. Okay, so 大力士 Hercules, and this city was the place that produced that chemical and plastic because of their chemical refinery. And I feel so relieved. Finally, it's a full cycle. That lady said, now you get it. It's a full cycle. I found this place. I always I was always curious about this place, and finally I got it. So this is a shopping center. I think there is a beautiful park. Let's go to the park area. Okay. Okay. So um, I found a beautiful park with fountain and water, and then I lost my way, cannot find it. So anyway, this is an unexpected tour to Hercules, and I end up that cycle. I came to this city and got this beautiful feel and a very good feeling of nature, of the natural kindness of people, just through walking and chatting with the librarian. Sometimes one person can make a huge difference to the appearance of the city, of the impression of the city. And this area is mostly these rolling hills with golden California mountains. Because it's summertime, it's dry, and there might be used to be some chemical refineries. And oh, how cool it is! It's a train. Oh, I love trains. Oh, it's so slow. Maybe because this is in the city area, uh, and the golden rolling hills. And I chatted with this librarian lady, and the main industry in the city is now, or the main employer is a biochemistry company, and they are starting to do renewable energy and going to a new direction. Um, from the from the petrol refinery, and I do not know very clear, but I do feel a beautiful energy of this place. Okay, so um, I am ending up here. It's a quite unexpected little tour here, and I enjoyed. I encircled this circle, made a full circle of my curiosity. Sorry. I made the full cycle of my curiosity for 30 years. Bye bye, friends. Hercules.